Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This time we are checking out the 2021 Fish Pro. So guys, like, this is one I've been waiting for. Saved this one to the last because I think it's got some of the greatest features and kind of like what I might go to, not this year, but maybe next year. But let's have a quick look at this. They've changed the color scheme on it. They've added a few things, so let's dive in and have a quick look. So first, as you can see, they've changed it up, got rid of that ugly green that I am just not a fan of. Gone to the nice new blues. As you can see, guys, they've still got the Garmin fish finder and GPS, so that's great. Nice looking screen, kind of like how they went with the black on the handlebars. So guys, new this year is the new cup holder and fish rod holder at the front of your Sea-Doo. I am ecstatic about these. I'll give you a little heads up. I've actually ordered these and we'll be putting them on my unit this spring. So I'll go over into that in a little bit more detail in my video once they're on there. But again, it comes with the option of having the sound system there. They've got these nice new blue footrests for you. I mean, again, kind of like it way better than the yellow. Standard Fish Pro seats, so nice and flat, easy for you. But again, they've gone with a darker blue to it, really nice. The usual link system here at the back. And again, the cooler that comes standard with it, with some of the rod holders as well. I do like that they've gone to a gray on this. I think it just looks a lot better and stuff. This unit now, as everyone's probably heard about, has that new IDF feature to it. So hopefully I'll get to try that IDF feature out during the summer. I'm going to try and get one of these out on the water, do a review for you guys for that. Standard, like all GTXs with storage, deep storage. So pretty standard there. I don't know how you're going to improve on that because I don't think you need to. So guys, this is the new 2021 Fish Pro. I mean, it looks really good. So hopefully I can get this unit out on the water, do a quick review for you later in the spring. But for now, I'll just show you some of the specs of it, have a look at it. And I just want to say thanks to the guys here at Energy Powersports. Let me come down here showing you guys these new CGs this year. Talk to you soon. Peace.